St. Francis of Assisi. St. Francis had, especially you know that, St. Francis had a very special love for this family, OFS. And how did it start? We know how. So in this regard, we remember also Brother Jacoba was an open invitation to who in their particular way wish to follow him without leaving their immediate families. And then what it was this general constitution of the OFS. It's not only we friends from the first order that we have our general constitutions. They also have their own constitution that they follow. Okay, here, general constitution of the OFS approved by the Congregation for the Institute of the Consecrated Life and the Societies of Apostolic Life in 1990 for 6 years in order to see if this way of life will be appreciated. It was a kind of test. The test was given whether it's going to be okay, or if not, then it will finish by itself. But thank God it continued. Since then, the OFS have their own constitutions to follow, but always under the guidance of the friars of the first. For the OFS, all the family of the faithful are called holiness and have a right to follow their own spiritual way in communion with the church. That is the point of the church. Lumen Gentium, all the faithful are called to follow the life of holiness.